Hello everyone, it's Julie and welcome back to my channel at Craft So Cute. And I wanted to jump in and show you what I made. It is a large backpack gift box bag. It is for Victoria. I was intending on giving her just the two little ones that I made, but after having made DeAndre, Ava, Claudia, Layla their gift boxes, I think she would have said, why isn't mine as big as theirs? So I went and supersized her backpack. And anyway, I wanted to give you an update. I'm feeling better. I've been on antibiotics for 5 days now, and my coughing, hacking has subsided considerably. Thank goodness. I have no more pain in my ribs from coughing and hacking. Feels good to come to see the light at the end of the tunnel. So, but I wanted to show you what I made. This is a large backpack that measures 9 3/4 tall by 8 inches wide by 4 inches deep. So, and they have pockets and magnetic. There's little side pockets for her to keep some stuff in there. I put some pockets on this backpack. If you can see here on the side here, it looks kind of crinkly, wrinkly. It's because I had doubled the paper that I wanted to use, so it was rather thick. And so this has got a front pocket also. It's magnetic, and she can open up and put her little things in it, skinny little things, like her little bookmarks and stuff. And then I'll open this up. So let me just show you what that looks like on the side view. The blue and the flowers. So that's what that looks like. And then this is a oh, and this right here is that cute. This was my sticker collection. The little what do you call it? The line and wash technique type of painting, and I printed it on sticker paper, and that's what that looks like, her little birds. And I found this little rosette in my stash, these little rosettes, and I cut them apart. I didn't want to overdo it with those flowers. I just wanted one. And then inside, I'm going to show you that it opens up rather wide, and that's the other side of the paper. So when I put the two papers together, that's what that looks like. Okay, now this one is a little oops, because I just now noticed that it should have been striped, and I don't know why that was. I know why. This was striped on the other side of this pink paper, and what I should have done was glued this on this side so that I don't know how I foobarred that up, but that's okay. It's pink, okay? It's eclectic. Anyway, should have been all stripes on the side walls and then on the bottom of the base. And then inside her backpack, you can see I put, let me reach in. I put this in there. Okay, so she has a mini backpack. And I went on to the Digital Collage Club. And I printed out these little kitty cat steampunk bookmarks, and what I'm going to do is buy her a little flimsy paperback reading book for her age appropriateness, so she could have her bookmarks, and she can put them in here in the front pocket. But I'm going to distress this, and I'm going to probably put little ribbons or seam binding on this. And then these right here, cards, this right here. Aren't they just so lovely? Oh, they're so cute. They're adorable. Here's a kitty cat. That looks like Toto. Anyway, I'm going to cut these up in little squares, and they're going to be puzzle pieces for her to put together, and they'll go into a little bag. So, and then I'll finish these up, and then inside of here I stuffed in here, if I can get them out without destroying it, I put these in here. These are little cards, and I doubled it. So each, oh goodness, where is that one? Oh, there it is. Let me grab it. They're in here. Thanks. Okay, let me just empty this out. Okay. So I've got circle ones. And each of them, there are 2 images. And the reason why I have those 2 images is because, do you remember as children, I don't know if the millennials know that game, but maybe. But when we were younger, we would take the deck of cards, right? And we would put them all face down, mix them up. And we'd do a memory card, right? And if we had a 2, we picked up the 2 and we looked at it, picked up another card, and it wasn't a match, we'd have to put it back exactly where it was, and then the next person would take its turn. And then it's your job to memorize, keep in memory what cards were flipped over, so you can get those matching cards. So that's what this is. This is her little matching game. We're going to play this when I get there, because the kids are going to do like a speed puzzle thing. I'm going to show them with the stuff that they have. I'll set a timer for 1 minute. Let's see. Oh, yeah, maybe 2 minutes. No, 1 minute. I'll set a timer for 1 minute and maybe 2 minutes, and see if they can put their puzzles together, their images. Okay, so those are so cute. So that's the square version of it. And then if she gets bored, you know, like a lot of little ones, she has the round discs to go to. Aren't they just adorable? So there's 2 of each. Yeah, they're so cute. So that's what's in this backpack. So this is her little game pieces. So when I get to the store finally, I don't know, not today, that's for sure. This goes back into her backpack, see? And then this magnetizes, and that's it. I just wanted to come in and show you guys what I made. This is not the big project that I'm going to be doing when I return. Now, if you would like to know how to do this, when I come back, I'll show you how to put this together, okay? And then I'm going to be doing a huge project that you will definitely love to make for Christmas gifts. I guarantee it. So anyway, guys, that's this, and there's the bottom of that. Okay, so anyway, and aren't those stickers just come in handy? Yeah. And then inside here I put the dragonfly. So when she opens that, I hope it doesn't freak her out, but I doubt it, because she loves bugs and stuff. Okay. Anyway, there's that, you guys. Thank you for stopping in. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to know how to make this 9.5 by 8.5 by 4 inches deep backpack gift bag. And you can do it any way you want. You could do steampunk. You can just go shabby chic on it, you know. And it's really sturdy because I made sure that it's sturdy. And I'll be putting a book in here. Like I said, I'll put some like maybe gummy worms, gummy bears. Maybe. I'm still questioning if I want to go there out with the candy or put some healthy snack bars in it for her. Yep. Okay, guys. thank you for stopping by and taking a peek. Let me know. Okay, stay tuned when I get back from Kentucky. I'll be leaving soon. And thank God I'm better. Loaded with antibiotics. Okay, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.